Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock your Xfinity Mobile Samsung Galaxy S20 step by step using an unlock code. Now I'm going to show you this on the Samsung S20, but this method will work on the Samsung S20 Plus, Samsung S20 Ultra, and all other Xfinity Samsung phones as well. We can unlock your phone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, contracts, blacklist status, etc. The unlock will not affect your warranty, it will increase the resale value of your phone, and you'll be able to use the phone with any GSM carrier of your choice. All you need in order to unlock the phone is an unlock code and a non-allowed SIM card, which is basically a SIM that's not from your original carrier. So let's begin. The first thing we will need is the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing *#06#. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI. So now that we have the IMEI number of the phone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order to unlock our Samsung phone. We will choose the Samsung Galaxy S20 since that's the phone we're unlocking today. Then, for the carrier option, you will choose the carrier your phone is locked to. After that, you will go ahead and enter the 15-digit IMEI number that we got in the beginning of the video. Then you will click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive the unlock code within the stated time frame. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. The email will contain the unique unlock code for your phone and step-by-step instructions on how to complete the unlock. So now that we have the unlock code, let's move on to entering it into the phone. In order for the unlock prompt to come up, we will insert a non-allowed SIM into the phone. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM tray and insert the non-allowed SIM card. I will be inserting a T-Mobile SIM into the phone. As soon as I insert the SIM tray back into the phone will automatically ask for the network unlock code. And there we go. So let me go ahead and enter the unlock code that I received from TechMajesty.com. Alright, so now that I've entered it, I'll click on the unlock button. And there you go, network unlocked. So guys, it's as simple as that to unlock your Samsung phone and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.